I just wanted to I think we have covered the basic first 2-3 topics. Just let me know. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we will talk about NetSuite introduction, and then it is consists of ERP, CRM, e-commerce, and I also given some example of role and user management, and then NetSuite setup and basic flow. I have also shown dashboard and setting preferences, right? If you remember.
Okay.
Okay. Then okay, I can show you.
Raghu.
So I have just shown you dashboard and the preference. After that, I have told you about.
Hear his voice clearly. Something is dragging.
Yeah, for me also, I'm facing the same issue. Tushar, your voice is a little bit lagging actually.
Okay, is it audible now?
It's audible, but the bandwidth of net, something like that. Okay, now it's fine. I thought like my internet is like that, but okay, if you are
But I can hear you both very clearly. I don't know why.
Okay, carry on, Tushar. Right now it's okay. If I have any problem, I will let you know. Just now it's fine. You can carry on, okay?
Okay. Sure. Okay. So we have talked about I have also told you about NetSuite lead to code to cash process. So we will cover that as well in our session. So basically, lead to code to cash means we are going to cover if how inquiries are converted into customer, and then customer we can create a sales order for a particular customer or multiple customer, and then from sales order to item fulfillment, from item fulfillment to invoice, and invoice to payment. So this process we can see in our sessions. And then the procurement process, if we have to purchase some items from vendors, then we will cover that as well, like PR to PO process. In NetSuite, it is not directly we can create a PO. We have to first do a PR, which is purchase requisition. So that we will also go to cover in our sessions. And so over procurement process, and then from technical and both functional consultant, there is a save search operation. Basically search means if you want to pull something, if we have multiple customer data in our environment, and we have to pull that data according to our requirement. Like if you want a customer with sales order already completed or billed or fulfilled, then we can do a save search, and in the save search we can do a criteria or filters, like give me list of customers where sales order is completed. So we can select a save search for customer record, and we can add a filter criteria like sales order status is complete or fulfilled, and then we can pull a number of customers. So we can also get a count of that. We can also highlight that save search. So I will also cover this save search topic in a separate session. So if you want to, if you have any doubt, then please ask me. I'm just going through the topics, right?
Sure, definitely. Yeah, I will ask you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just going
right now you are telling what topics you are covering in the. Just now, right now you are telling that one. I understood that one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So save search. So these are the basic lead to code to cash process, procurement process. These are basically functional stuff. Save search is both functionally, and you can do it by technical guys also do the save searches. So save searches are complex as well and basic as well. Like in complex, you have to put a formula and all that thing.
Okay.
And then the reports. So the reports are nothing but like the standard reports in NetSuite. For finance, there are different reports. For inventory, there are different reports. So like that. So we can see how to create a report and how to mail that report to a particular person or like that. So there are different kinds of report. If you want to add a different columns, how to customize that report. So that also we are going to cover in our topics.
Okay.
And then the NetSuite customization. This is a very important topic, considering the NetSuite customization and as per the client requirement. This you should know this. So in this customization, we are going to cover like how to create NetSuite forms. Like there are different forms as per the entities and as per the transactions. Like for customer, there
Oh gosh.
is this
Hello.
different
Hello.
standard
Raghu.
forms in NetSuite. So
I couldn't
we
hear
can
you.
It's lagging.
customize that standard form, and we can create our own form for customers. Okay.
Hello.
I don't know why it is happening, because my modem has a full range, but why, I don't know why it is happening. Can you hear it now?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
now it's fine.
Now it's fine. Okay.
We couldn't hear whatever you're telling on the customizations.
Oh, sure. I will repeat that.
Repeat it.
So
Repeat it.
NetSuite customization. Just a second. राहू दे. रेंज येत नाही, थोडं उघडं राहू दे. थोडं उघडं राहू दे. Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
So
Tushar, why don't you try wide one?
Yeah. So NetSuite customization in this create a form in it. Hello.
Yeah, Tushar.
Can you hear me?
It's lagging, Tushar. Little bit lagging is coming for us.
Okay.
And sometimes it's giving, and sometimes it's working very fine. Okay, you can continue now. It's fine actually.
Raghu, maybe if it's wide, then it can fine maybe. Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Tushar, can you stop the screen sharing, and then you can discuss. Already she has the document, right? So maybe you can reduce some bandwidth.
No problem. Sure.
But I didn't
Okay.
open the document in front of me. Okay.
You don't have?
I have it. I didn't open. Let me open in my mail. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Open it now.
Tushar, why don't you open just to me open the my document? It's with meeting link. Okay.
Tushar, I'm sharing the document. Can you go ahead?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me know when.
Yeah, it's ready. It's ready. Yeah, I'm seeing.
Okay.
NetSuite customization. Yeah, forms and reports customizations. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So NetSuite customization. So in that we are going to cover how to create a form. Like there are standard forms in NetSuite.
Okay.
Like for the customer there is different form. For the transaction like sales orders and purchase order, invoices. There are different forms. So
Okay.
if client needs, or if you want to customize that form, then how we are going to customize it, that we are going to cover in our sessions,
Okay.
like how to adjust the fields from one tab to another, or how to create a new field and add to the particular tab wherever you want. And then there is a custom record thing in NetSuite. Like if you want to create your own record and attach that record to the form, that also we are going to cover. So custom record is basically mean that it it includes all the fields. Like there are different data types in NetSuite, as we have in other languages, right? List, then free form text, date and date time data types, like that data types we have in NetSuite. So we can create a fields according to the data types and according to the client needs. So
Okay.
we can put that whole bunch of field in one custom record if you want, and then that we can assign that custom record to the particular customer, so that will get assigned to a particular tab. So how we are going to assign that, how that will happen, that we are going to see. And also there is a sub list. Like if you know the NetSuite, at least the forms, if you are familiar with the forms, there is an address in form, right? There is a standard address in form, so that is a
Okay.
sub list. That is called a sub list. Like address has a different fields, like address 1, address 2, address C, and then the zip code and all that. So that are nothing but the list items, sub list items. So
Okay.
how we are going to create a sub list and assigning to the particular form, that also we are going to cover. So this is about the customization. This is a functional customization. We are, if you I think we have discussed earlier, you want technical as well, right? So we are also going to cover how to customize the form through script, like validation on the form, or any field setting, like add, delete, and edit operation on the form using script. So that is also
Okay.
we are going to cover. In
Okay.
this PDF, I have not mentioned that because this is only functional training. I will also send you a technical training PDF.
Okay.
And yeah, okay, after this session or tomorrow. So this is our customization topic, and next topic is the record, NetSuite record forms, field types, list, file, cabinet in brief. So that is also a customization part that I have already explained to you. Only the thing remaining here is file cabinet. So file cabinet in NetSuite is nothing but the storage, like where we are going to store our files. So there is a file cabinet folder. If you want to, like, some PDFs from third party, if you want to pull up PDFs and store into NetSuite, that we can do it in a file cabinet. We can create a different folder. We can give like there is a unique ID for each folder, and we can store whatever documents we want in a particular folder as per the naming conventions given. So that also I'm going to teach you.
Okay.
And then the NetSuite setup, like partners and vendors. Like there are different partners associated with the particular company. If you want to sell something, or if you want to uh, sell something, then how to create that partners in NetSuite, like customers, how to create that partners. So there are partners, sub partners, how to assign sub partners to a particular partner. There is a partner form. So how to like create that form and set that as a partner level. So that we are going to cover. Also there is a vendor form. So in NetSuite, how to create a vendor, that also we are going to cover. Next is user and role management. That I think I have already explained you, but if you want, I will again explain you that, like how to create employees in NetSuite, how to give access to that employee, and then it will become a user, and how to assign that user particular roles. Like there are different roles: administrator, sales manager. That I already explained, right? If you remember.
Yes. 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 I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
We are
So
also
how
don't
to
have all the access in the company. We have only particular access only. We can
Yeah.
create,
So
we cannot delete whatever we are doing. We cannot, that and all access we don't have right now in the company. So yeah, carry on.
yeah, yeah. So how to assign particular role to that user, how to assign a permission for that role, particular permission for that role. That
Okay.
also, yeah. And then the item creation and basic management. So this is for inventory. There are different items like you can create in NetSuite. There are standard items like assembly items, non-inventory, inventory items, service charge items, like that. How to create that items and assign price and quantity, whatever you want, and assign that items to particular sales order. How to do that? That also we are going to cover.
Okay.
Okay. And then the suite bundle creation and installation. Suite bundle, I will just give a brief introduction about suite bundle. So there are different environment I explained you in last session, like sandbox, keyway, and production, right? So if you want to develop something, you can develop in sandbox development environment. So these are the nothing but different environment. So if you want to move something which you have created in one environment and you have to move that into other environment, then you are going to use a suite bundle. Like if you there is two options, like you can manually create whatever you did in one environment and you can same replicate that manually. But if there is a lot of stuff and you don't want to manually, then you can create a suite bundle. So how to create that suite bundle and install it from one environment to another environment, that also we are going to cover. Okay.
Okay.
And then the inventory management, this is a simple thing, like there is a reports also, how to manage the inventory. There is a particular inventory status. So we are just going to from lead to quote to cash process, and we are going to create a sales order to payment. So if we are sell 10 items, then how that items get reflected into inventory, that we are going to see.
Okay.
Then the advanced PDF template, email template, and online forms. These are also very important topics in NetSuite. Like advanced PDF templates, like there are standard PDFs assigned to particular transaction or checks or any other. If you want to print any other PDF, then there is a standard format for NetSuite. Like for checks, NetSuite has given a standard format. But if you want to customize that check, or if you want to customize any PDF, which is a standard in NetSuite, then there is an option of advanced PDF HTML template. So by using that, and if you know the HTML coding, or if you know the designing part, then you can easily customize that checks according to the client need. So how we are, yeah. So we are also going to see that how to customize the advanced PDF template. And then the email templates. Email templates are nothing but templates like we have in our mobile phone. There are standard templates. If you are busy, then you can send a message, or you can directly disconnect call and send a message. There are standard templates, right? I'm busy, I'm in meeting or whatever. So in email NetSuite also, we can create a standard email templates. We can also insert a particular fields if you want. Like if you want to send email to particular customer, like your lead has been created, or you have assigned some partner or something like that there. And if you want customer information in that email, then there is a standard like we can use a fields for the customer form, like first name, last name, and we can include that in the email template. So in that particular email, according to the customer, the name will get displayed. So like that, whatever content you want, you can manage in that email template, and you can use that email template in whatever like conditions. Like there are different conditions in NetSuite. Sorry, different like script and workflows. So through workflow, if you given some particular condition, on this condition I want to send an email, then you can use that email template and just assign that email template to workflows, and that on that particular condition, that email gets sent with that details in the email template. Like email template have a particular details about customer information, or according to your need, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And online forms are nothing but if a customer, or if a customer has his own website, and he wanted to connect that website forms to NetSuite, like if he fill information in the website form, like if there is an inquiry form in his website, and if he fills that form and submit it, then that form information automatically replicated into NetSuite, and that will create it as an inquiry, which is called as a lead in NetSuite. So how that going to happen? There is an online form concept in NetSuite. So that also we are going to cover. And there is a customer care, like services, customer services, case and RMM management. So case is nothing but if you have any like product issue or like that, then you can create a case against particular sales order or particular item. And if you want to like if customer want to replace that item, then there is also RMA, like written material authorization management. So also we are going to cover that. So apart from this functional stuff, if you want script, so there are different kinds of script, like user event, client event, RESTlet, suitelets. What are they? I will explain to you when we start a technical point. So script, workflows, that also we are going to cover if you want a technical other than functional.
Okay. And Tushar, what is a suit
Yes.
script? Suit
Yeah,
script.
that I have just told you. Scripts,
Oh.
nothing but the suite scripts. So there is a like workflow means NetSuite, it is called as a suite flows, right? It is a suite flows. Suite flows are nothing but the workflows. So workflows are you can easily do it if you, even if you don't know about the any if you don't have any technical background, then also you use a workflow, and you can do a same functionality like script, suite script, using a standard suite flows in NetSuite. But there are some limitations to workflows. We cannot do everything whichever done by the script. So we have to use the script sometimes. So that's why Suite script function is there in NetSuite. And the Suite script, there are Suite Cloud, Suite Talk, Suite Talks. So Suite Talk is nothing but the web services. So may I know, do you have any technical background like JavaScript, HTML, or
No,
any
I know only
language?
just basics. No, only basics, SQL basics and HTML. Because my background is I did my masters in MCA, Masters of
Right.
Applications.
Yeah.
That's under long back ago, 15 years ago. So forgot
Okay.
everything. Yeah. So just now I'm working in a analyst. So I know all the basics SQL queries and
Right. Not an issue. Not an issue.
yeah. So I
So
don't
yeah.
JavaScript in depth of JavaScript. That and all I don't know. That is the reason I'm
Yeah.
asking. If you want to
So
write if you want to know the suit flow, you need to know any specific some HTML or SQL or some any
for
Java.
Sweet flow, there is no need. If you
Okay.
know the flowchart,
Okay.
definitely you are going to create a workflow. Not an issue. I will let you know how to do that. But for Swift script, it is better if you reverse your knowledge, like about the basic JavaScript functionalities and all that. If you just like basically go through W3 school or whatever, just go through that JavaScript
I
functions
know.
and all. Yeah. So if you, that will be better. So for the Swift script. Yeah.
Okay. And
And
yeah,
yeah,
carry on.
sorry. Yeah. I just wanted to know, you want functional plus basic technical, right? Or advanced technical?
That's
Like
what I want to know.
advanced.
Okay, what is the difference between basic technical and
No,
advanced
no,
technical?
no.
If you
That I have categorized. That I have categorized because basic technical means I am going to cover script and sweat flows and save searches. But in advance, if you want like Swift script, I'm going to cover all the types, but there are some APIs in NetSuite, like field APIs, record APIs, execution context APIs, that I will teach you. But in advance, I'm going to cover all the APIs, but in basic, there are limited APIs. And in advance, I'm also going to cover a Swift talk, which is web services stuff. So I think if you are not a technical, then advanced is not. I think.
No, I don't need advanced. Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
want.
you will go. Yes, you will. Yeah, we will prefer basic one. I think.
Well, a basic
It
one.
will be. Yeah, and if you like basic also, it's good. And like if you want to go into technical more, and if you like if you do some basic stuff, then uh, like afterwards we can think about that the advanced one. But
Oh,
first, you have to be clear on basics at least. So I think I will also suggest you to go for basic now.
and one more thing, Tushar. Actually, yesterday they
Sure.
informed me, and there is a one administration, NetSuite administrator role is available. So,
Right.
what are the administrator roles and responsibilities? What
Yeah.
he need to do, functional as well as he need to do
No.
technical and both, or what is the administrator roles and
Yeah.
responsibilities?
Yeah. So in network administration means basically configuration and functional.
Okay,
So mainly configuration. So there is a features, preferences, and according to the company, according to the subsidiary, there are some preferences, some configurations that administrator will take care of that. Like if you want some features in NetSuite and that is not available for you, in but license has provided that features, so administrator will configure that features. Like there is some check boxes, like you have to enable that features. So basically that job plus functional stuff uh, like lead to code to cash process. If you want to show to the customer, then that also included in administrator role. But mostly the configuration part.
but I don't need to know suit script, suit flow, this and all as administrator.
No, administrator role, you don't know don't need to be technical.
Not to be technical. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And I have some job description. Yesterday I asked to my HR, so can you send it to me, the job description? She forwarded to me. So if you
Okay.
have chance, can you look at to?
Sure. Just forward to me, and then I will go through it and I will reply like what is about that.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you so much for that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
And okay, is functional means it's end user. You can use functional and everything. Am I correct?
Like functional consultant mean, yeah. Um, you know the like most of the modules in NetSuite, like sales, accounting, finance, and all that. But
Okay.
yeah, like SAP, like functional at least know the process flow, how the like how to create a customer, how to create a sales order. At
Okay.
least that you should know. And afterwards, if you have basic knowledge, then you can go to the model level. Like there is a model, manufacturing model, if you want to learn that.
Okay.
So yeah, you can go to more manufacturing model, and you can learn that by your own. But for functional, to get a job, at least whatever topics I have covered, that you should know.
Actually, how many modules is in NetSuite? Functional and manufacturing? Is there any other?
uh, yeah, there are all, yeah, like NetSuite has CRM and ERP, so all models are there. Like, but NetSuite is majorly used for accounting and finance, and there is also manufacturing model, sales order, management, item management. All models are there. So it's basically a one environment, one platform which provide all like CRM, ERP, and e-commerce.
Okay.
but
Okay.
but it is not like that. It is not vast. It is very easy to use. You can easily learn by your own.
Okay.
Like in SAP, we have different people for different models. For one model there are 10 to 15 people in one company, but in
Yes.
NetSuite there is no need for that. So that's why it is like cheaper than any other like SAP and all that. So that's why small and mid companies are using NetSuite.
Implementing. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because it's easy to learning for functional as well and technical as well.
And one more thing, Tushar, actually, if I want to start a classes through you, and what is the practice session and where can I learn? And I know I just want to try to install in my 15 days trial version in my system.
Yes,
But I didn't, because if I installed it, is just only I have access only 15 days later, that I don't have. That is the reason still I didn't install. And what is from your side? What is your opinion, and where can I learn? And is there any chance to you access something like NetSuite learning or something like that?
No, yeah. If you want to learn a long time, and if you want to be, you can. There is a one chance, there is a one company license. If you like give a company information, like company name and all that, you can get a license, free demo license,
Okay.
and yeah, you can practice on that. There are some limitations on that license, but
Okay.
most of the features what we are going to cover, that will be accessible to you. So I will provide you a link, or like that. I will search on that. I don't have much information about that, but I will definitely search for you, and then I will give you information
How
regarding
many
this.
days that also we can access that one? How many days? Do you have any idea? Is that
Uh, yeah, but at least it is for 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah, at least, because one of my friend using the same from long time, free license for company. Uh, there is only one demo license for one company, right? So
So what
yeah,
company details they need? We have some
yes.
consulting company, we have some our own H1B visa holders, that and all, but we don't have any manufacturing company. So company
Mm.
means
So
what
that
details?
is that I wanted to know, and that I am going to search, and then I will let you know. But at least we can try. Like if I can provide you some license for some days, then I will look into that. But
Okay. But I have to know after class over, I have to practice somewhere else. Otherwise, I
yeah,
cannot.
but if you get a job after these classes, then you can learn into like company's environment easily, right?
Okay. And I asked every Saturday, can I come and practice sometime in, because all are whoever working in the IT in the NetSuite, all are my friends there.
Okay,
Sneha,
okay.
everybody. So I asked, they all are working in the Saturdays also because they get pay. So I asked
Uh-huh.
a couple of days ago, someone of my friend, actually Sneha, I asked her, so can I come on Saturday, every Saturday? I just want to practice sometime. She said, okay, you can come and you can practice some.
Yeah, so that will be also fine. No? That will
Yeah,
be also
but
fine.
they also don't have all the access. That's what she told me. Whatever I have the access, they also, because right now we are in the quality and inventory team. So
Oh,
quality
okay,
and
okay.
inventory team means we don't have all the complete whole NetSuite access. So whatever,
Right. Okay.
yeah. So is that okay if something, whatever you are going to cover the all the topics, can I go and practice? Is that is enough in that area? Or where you, how to
No,
practice?
at least no. At least like you will need a eco admin or administrator access, so you will get all the all the stuff whatever
Yeah,
we are going to cover.
but they
Okay, I
cannot.
will look into that. Yeah, I will look into that, and I will let you know. Uh, yeah. Okay.
And one more thing, Tushar. Okay, after some functional part is over, so I practice some days. 1 month, 2 months later, I'm going to give an interview to them, and if they like it, they can hire me. After that, after got a job, if I need support in the while doing the job or something, if I need support, can I expect
Mm.
any support from you?
Uh, yes. Okay. No problem. I will. Yeah. Talk with
Few
Rao
days,
regarding.
yeah, few days.
Yeah.
Because in the initial days, I cannot ask my, if they are my friends also, every day, every minute, I cannot go and sit next to
Right.
them.
Right.
And I cannot ask them in the office environment. You know how the people are behaving in the office.
Yes. Yes.
I cannot ask
Yes.
them. If I have something help in the back end, some one hand is under my back, so definitely, yeah, after coming back home, I can ask you how to create this one, how to form, how to customize these forms, and how to do this one reports and whatever it is. So immediately, some days I need that help from you also. That's why
Sure.
I'm
Sure.
expecting. So is that possible?
Yeah, if it is like at that time, if I'm free, then I will definitely help you. Not an issue. I will
Uh,
discuss with that now. Not an issue. Okay.
yeah, you can
Uh,
discuss with the Raghu
We
and
will,
let me
yeah,
know.
we will,
And
yeah,
what,
we will work on. Yeah, sure,
yeah,
no
you can
problem.
tell him that clearly. And whatever I want, I just ask. You are the one person to help me in the future, and you are the trainer. So
Sure,
I'm
sure, sure, no
whatever I
problem.
need, I am just to express my things and everything. And how
Yeah.
long this and all, whatever the functional and whatever the basic of the technical, how long does it take? I mean, is it 2 months or is it take how many
Yeah.
days do
So
you?
if you are going to cover on Saturdays, Sundays, 2 hours,
Okay,
right? 4 hours weekly, and for functional, we will need 40, not 40 exactly. Overall, we will need 48 to 45 to 48 hours.
only
So I
functional.
think no. Overall,
Overall, okay.
technical,
Technical,
yeah,
basic of
most,
technical and the functional both, you need
yes,
some
yes.
50 hours. Okay.
Yeah. So we will need, I think, fine. Yes. So 4 hours weekly means we will need at least 14 to 15 weeks, right?
Yes. Okay. No. If it's work it out, definitely I can try to take classes every day. Definitely. Because I
Sure,
don't
sure.
want to take 6 months, 7 months of course. I don't want to waste
No,
of
no,
seven.
no, 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 no.
Yeah.
That will, that, yeah, that long. It will not never take. It will just take 13 to 14 weeks. We will cover that, not an issue. Or we will take extended sessions on Saturday, Sunday. We will cover that, not an issue.
Okay. And can you tell
But
me technical PDF? Can you open the technical PDF? I want to see that one time. So
sure,
I
sure. Yeah, I will share my screen now. I think.
okay.
And I
Right.
just wanted, yeah, I just wanted to know from your side, like, which job you are going to be, like, prefer, like functional only or technical or administrator. So that will be better for, like, that will be help me to include
Very
the.
sure. I'm very sure. Not technical. I'm very sure. Other than
Not.
technical, I'm ready to go to functional as well as the administrator because those two roles don't need the technical part.
Yes, yes, yes.
So administrator means maybe that role needs basic of technical part,
Function.
but functional definitely in the functional part they don't need any technical part. I'm very sure I'm not. I don't want to go to in the technical. Then the technical other roles I want to choose.
I think Rao, you have shared your screen, so I'm not able to share mine.
Hello.
Yeah, I think someone has
Wait. Sure.
shared.
Wait. Hello, Raghu. Yeah, tell me. Hello. Yeah, Tushar, carry on. Why Raghu called me? I don't know, but I just answered it and immediately just cut the phone. Cut the phone.
Okay, but I like I'm not able to share my screen. Just I
Okay,
got a call from
Raghu.
that's why.
Okay.
Just a missed call.
So,
Yes, yes.
yeah, Tushar,
Yeah.
actually, yeah, I don't know anything about the NetSuite. I know
Okay.
my company implemented
Sure.
NetSuite. They
Because I wanted to share my screen, but I have. I think you have shared already. So. Yeah. Actually,